Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you today? I have problem with Ninja today. I have problem with OBS today because I entered long and it hit my TP and immediately opened opposite position. So it just basically closed long and opened short. I mean, strange. And like there's no new updates. It's not first time when I have problem with Ninja since Friday, I believe. But whatever. I just lagging a little bit. It just closed long, open short immediately. What I'm doing wrong? Let me check Replikanto updates. Maybe you have any update. Flowbot. Sorry, guys. Log in. Do we have any updates for Replikanto? Because I have problems since Friday. I don't know. Dashboard. Seems like no, we don't have any. Whatever. You got 5k payout, but blew like 60 evaluations after this. Think I'm Russian to get my expenses of well back. Exactly right. You're Russian. Yeah. Here's my trade. Don't pay attention this long on this position because it just closed an open position for no reason. So I entered long, took partial at London high, left just one micro at 50 area, as I mentioned in the chat. And I got luck there. So I traded 3 micros, guys, I'm not going to lie, because stop loss was 11 points. I don't risk more than $300. So with my partials, I was able to make not a lot. Like, no complaints. I'm not going to argue about this. It's not base hit. Of course, I'm going to Steam, take trade on Steam. It's my task here. Of course. It's not our last trade. I'm just not going to trade take profit trader anymore. Of course. Who are we to give up, right? On setups. One trade that means nothing, right? Especially it's not even base hit. Let me disconnect take profit trade. I'm going to trade other accounts. My Lucid and my TradingView. Guys, how are you today? How was your morning? My base hit is $500. So I trade 3 micros. Like no option for me to make more than, I would say 500. But I took partial, so like no complaints. Just not going to take profit trader today. It has intraday trade and drawdown. We will trade ES or gold, whatever. My journal, checking my TradingView. Checking my TradingView. TradingView going good, guys. TradingView so far so good. My TradingView account, to be more specific, doing great. It's one of my Lightning funded accounts. It's doing just great. Cannot complain about this because my performance is pretty solid. Consistency, my consistency is 18%. 18%. Wow. How long? Okay. Not long because 1 month probably. 1 month. Because this account I switched from Project X to new Lightning funded, so that's what we have. 18% consistency rule. Oh yeah, 30 days, guys. 30 days, 33 days. 33 days. Not bad. That's my TradeView Lightning funded account. 18% consistency rule, 33 trading days. I trade pretty much every single day TradingView and Lucid. I would say, yeah, 1 month, a little bit more. So, no, I don't copy most of my accounts. I know why I have psychological, I guess, problem with this, but when I trade Lucid and TradingView, I copy them. When I trade Take Profit Trader or Apex, I don't copy this. It's T, because I feel a bit bad. Beer, it's early for beer. Top 1 futures, not bad, I would say. I just started them. So it's my TradingView Lightning Fund account. Talking about my selective evals, no reason to talk about them because I have wins, I have losses there. I'm not doing great on evals, not going to lie. I'm pretty much break even right now on evaluations, like $300 in profit. So not a lot, not a lot. Okay, Lucid and TradingView. I'm going to copy Lucid and TradingView. We are going to trade this together. Okay, leader account, okay. Good morning, good morning. So it's 150k. I don't really have buffer, to be honest, but preferable to have a couple of $1,000 in of buffer, seriously, after payout. That's my recommendation. Logic of trade is move from discount to premium, low resistance to upside. I took these 3 micros. Prob is best TradingView. Guys, highly recommend TradingView. I trade with them for not so long, like 3 months. It's crazy, right? 3-4 months I traded with TradingView. And honestly, guys, I have only good experience. Seriously, one of best experience with TradingView so far. It's gold, but we will trade ES or gold. So guys, let's talk about price action on ES because let's just compare ideas. Here's monthly chart. Completely 2 different pictures. I need to win a TradingView giveaway. I just passed Lucid Flex 50k giveaway. Yeah, Lucid and TradingView so far. I mean, of course, TradingView is better because they're long in the market. Of course, I would like to recommend TradingView more. Of course, we will see setup. We will find setup right now. Like, it's not even market open. Come on, don't worry, guys. So a bit not in sync with NQ now. Here's a monthly chart on both ES and NQ. We have SMT, and as you can see, we got double sweep. Double sweep when one candle sweeps buy side liquidity or a couple of buy side liquidity levels or sell side liquidity levels, right? So you guys see bit sick. 1, 2, we got double sweep. Normally, double, triple sweep is a great confirmation of potential retracement or reversal. I will answer a question about funded in a moment. So, in order to confirm sweep, who can help me with this? When we have monthly sweep, which time frame should I use to confirm the sweep? Daily, exactly right. And once I switch on daily chart, what should I look at to say, that's confirmed sweep here? What we are going to use on daily chart to say, that's sweep. Order block, exactly right, exactly right. Let's switch on daily chart and let's see if we have OB. Do we have order block on daily chart now? Break of structure plus OB. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Do we have order block on daily chart now? Yes. So at this point, what I would like to see back on monthly chart, I would like to see opposite liquidity level. And so far, opposite liquidity level is previous monthly low, right? So I was trying to look for setup yesterday. I was trying to short, but honestly didn't find setup for this. Yeah, we took internal sell side. But looking at monthly chart, what I would like to see, continuation lower. Where? To previous monthly low. Why? Because we got confirmed sweep, right? So once we got confirmed sweep, most of the time we want to see outside candle, right? So basically it's going to see buy side and sell side. One single candle. So at this point, of course, it's too early to talk about, it's going to just drop today. Maybe not. We don't know. But my main target just for now, considering idea of monthly sweep confirmed by daily OB, is going to be what? Is previous monthly low. So I'm looking for lower overall. Hard to talk about NQ because on NQ we have a bit different picture. If we trade inside consolidation, we have lots of equal highs higher, which is previous monthly high at equal highs. But even like knowing this situation, I would like to see lower. In my opinion, okay, we got monthly sweep on ES, perfect. We're looking for opposite liquidity level, previous monthly low. But looking at NQ, on daily chart, what we have? Time distortion, right? Time distortion, consolidation. So what we would like to see? Break below consolidation low, manipulation, continuation higher, and break below consolidation low, basically previous monthly low as well, right? So overall, I'm looking for lower. Not sure if it's going to happen today, honestly, but yeah, looking for. Let me sit in the middle of my camera. Looking for low. Are you going to take another trade? Of course, of course, of course. Don't worry, guys. I will trade my trade defined lucid accounts. I just traded take profit trader. It means nothing. Just hit some profit there and that's it. What about seasonal tendencies? That's a great question because I wouldn't say not this year, 2025 actually follow these rules. Yeah, we have historical data, 25 years, 15 years, 30 years data, right? And I guess for the first time, I trade almost for years. Of course, I don't have like big experience or like good experience, right, yet. But I wouldn't say last year actually follows this. I'm not sure this year also going to follow this. But yeah, normally first quarter of the year is accumulation, right? Second quarter is manipulation. Third quarter is distribution. Probably last quarter is continuation, or we're just going to stay inside quarter 3 range. So basically this quarter is accumulation. And that's probably perfectly fine here. So I'm looking for lower. We even can take this low here because we're in consolidation right now, which is cool. That's great. We can start moving higher, like higher or lower, like big expansions, but big expansion on March. Funny things with TradingView data. Yesterday and today is showing the same daily candle. Trader weight is different. Yeah, I got it. Do you have any tips how to increase focus? Hard to say. I have problem with this as well, I would say. Should I get second monitor? I cannot recommend you because maybe it's enough. One monitor is enough for you guys. I'm half blind and I need a couple of monitors because it's really hard to look with one eye on one screen. So I need to look at different charts. With trading, yeah, I will log in, okay, it's not a problem. For focus? Yeah, maybe that's a good advice. Honestly, I don't have targets higher anymore. Where's 2R based on this setup? I closed already, but where's 2R? I believe still higher. Let's just move here. Two are still higher. We may actually trade continuation soon, guys. Yeah, we may still look for setup on gold. Let's wait for a retracement to try long again, but already on different accounts. Is it an indicator on the chart on the this one? Which one? Big candles? You mean big candles? Yes, high time frame candles by far. Yeah. You should know this. I remember, guys, when I only started, like, I recommended this indicator. It's free indicator. It had like 7K users. Right now it's 12K. Insane. Oh, layout. Which one? Like 2 screens here. Oh, it's my drawings. I just my text bigger. No, just drawings. I just made text bigger for you guys because lots of complaints about small text. It's impossible to see. So I decided to make it bigger. You should like it. Dashboards. Today for giveaway, let's see what I can do. I will do one. Okay, let me see. For TradeSinker, I mean, I do have 10% off. It's like regular my code. If you would like to try and use this, and thank you so much. So guys, according to our rules about New York Midnight Open, of course, nothing works 100% of the time, but between 3 and 7 a.m., yes, and in Q, let me make sure, yes, didn't trade and did not revisit New York Midnight Open. So since you completely balanced for our fair value gap, it's not untapped anymore. Let me fix this. Maybe I would like to see some retracement up to New York Midnight Open. But once again, as I mentioned before, I don't mind to see lower, but I'm not saying today. Just would like to see lower. Maybe next week, maybe this week, who knows. But for now, I would like to see New York Midnight Open. What indicator shows sessions low? ICT kill zones and pivots. Here's free indicator. Normally, I recommend on the free indicators. I just changed settings because it's too much colors there. Too much colors there. And for help. What kind of help you're looking for? For gold, guys, maybe I would like to see still higher. I will wait for the retracement. We will try to long. Lower? Yes, this one I have it at 0.64. Not quite sure, but guys, did you watch my video about New York Midnight Open? If so, guess what I would like to ask you. Someone is calling me. Okay. I was like, I can hear the voice, but the sound, but I cannot figure out where it is coming from. Okay. Let's check statistics, guys. Going to take screenshots right now from my video on YouTube. It's over here. If you watch my video, I had some statistics there. Actually, let me make this picture bigger. So what we know? It's statistic based on 6 months data. On Tuesday, NQ displays impressive retracement probabilities. 67% of the time over the last 6 months, price retraced back down when opening above New York Midnight Open. But 73% of the time over the last 6 months, price is traced up when price opened below New York midnight open. So what we can see here, according to this data, we have 73% chance to go on Tuesdays. Today's Tuesday? Yes, today's Tuesday. We have 73% chance to go to New York midnight open. What else we can use as confirmation that we have 73% chance to price to go higher to New York midnight open on NQ, not on ES, on NQ. Between 3 and 7 a.m. price failed to revisit New York midnight open. So we need to keep in mind today on Tuesdays, once again, it's important based on 6 months data. We have 73% chance, I would say around 70% chance to retrace to New York midnight open. So that's why I'm looking for a retracement up and probably lower. You just passed evaluation. Woohoo! Congratulations. So I either will look for potential continuation on gold, or I will trade long on ES. Let's see where we can find better setup. Guys, here's a giveaway link. So today I'm giving away one free TradeZella subscription for 1 year. 12 months subscription. Completely free with all tools available there. Backtesting, journaling, track your performance, your stats there, everything. Today, one lucky person will get TradeZella for 1 year completely for free. I'm not sitting in the middle. Now it's better. Sorry, guys. So looking for long, maybe not right at the open, but looking for long to New York midnight open on NQ, probably will look for long on ES. Ow. So once again, based on statistic, data based on 6 months, once again, we have 73% chance to go to New York midnight open on NQ if NQ open below New York midnight open. It's green tea. No, it's not green tea. It's flowers, something there. I don't remember. Whatever. Sure. Yeah, of course. So plan is, what level are we looking for? Oops. Looking for a continuation. If it's going to retrace here, we will try to long to 67, 65 area. Let me make sure about exact level. Yes. So let's see if it's going to retrace. I will try to long based on continuation setup, 3-minute OB, 5-minute OB, whatever. I don't really care about this. And yeah. Let's hope for the retracement. Let's wait for the retracement. I will try another long. So far I took one long before, looking for another trade. But already on stream, because my OBS didn't work this morning. I started late, unfortunately. So looking for another step to take on stream. On Q, please. Please. Once again, 73% chance based on statistics to take to test New York midnight open. Not fun just going up now because no way to enter. I hate to enter right at the open. Right now, just guys, let's wait for the retracement on both gold and NQ and ES. And let's try to long. Yes, wait, not that fast. No setup to enter. We want to engage. Please, not that fast. Hope it's going to decrease, please. It's no way I'm going to enter long now there. Okay, I'm just trying to highlight OT of gap that we got today. Once again, huge gap, which means what? We want to see 25% of gap, short, or reaction. I'm going to aim for New York midnight open. All I would like to wait for is setup. So it's taken? Yeah, let me delete this. My plan on ES, probably New York midnight open and a potential short right from this. I would say I would like to see New York midnight open on NQ. I hope it's going to retrace. I don't need such a big move up right at the open. Yeah, Chris, exactly. First quarter of the year is not always, but most of the time it's going to be accumulation. That's perfectly fine. Touch New York midnight open? No. It didn't. It's a 380 area. On gold, I'm waiting for 3-minute OB. I will try to long. I will aim for 47.67. For now, just going to wait and chill. I need to get set up. Not going to chase the price. I don't see actually a reason for this. But if it's going to offer solid setup for long, I will try. On yes or gold, whatever. For gold, I need to see 3-minute OB, bullish order, but to enter long. But for ES, I'm not quite sure what I would like to see because it's really hard to say for sure. 5 minutes. It's a bit tricky here because I'm just trying to find what I would like to use for entry on ES to long this. I don't see any. Well, do you prefer instant fund? Yeah. I'm at the stage when it's easier for me to start a funded account immediately and not wasting time on evaluations. I bought some evaluation accounts, guys, select evals, 150k evals, brand new accounts, but I'm going to trade them when I'm done with my funded for the day. I prefer to get funded immediately. Look at NQ. Oh my god. Such an easy and obvious move up, but no setup for this. I would like to see higher NQ, 50 more points. It's not done yet. Why? I explained this in my video about New York midnight open. Guys, print. I guess no way we're going to get set up. And get trade in queue. Yes. Did you enter? Do you see entry? I'm blind probably. I don't. I just don't see entry. That's bad. I would like to see 50 points higher. I would like to see New York midnight open. I need higher. It's not done yet. Pretty confident it's not done yet. Just no way to enter. And that's the most painful part because guys, it's really hard. You know where market is going, but you cannot blindly enter long because you need to follow rules. You have model, you're going to execute based on this model. But when we have 73% chance to go to New York midnight open plus additional confirmation NQ did not revisit between 3 and 7 a.m., you feel like, please. It's like guaranteed long, but give me a setup for this. It's painful, but it's fine. We still have time. What to use? Seriously, come on. I would like to see SPX higher as well. So what I just did, guys, I had 50% of this huge week. I would say I may give it a try. If it's going to break, I did test. And I can give it a try, but right now I cannot see any setups yet. I might try just this one. Not sure about stop loss. I will keep you updated, but not going to risk a lot. I will try with small size because I would like to see higher, but no like perfect setup here yet. Because I can give it a try. If I'm wrong, I will look for another stop. Like, it's fine. I'm fine with losses. Let's see if it's going to close on the test. I will try with like 5 micros on ES. My plan break and closure, the test, long, but I'm not sure about stop loss yet. Maybe it's going to be 1.5 R trade, maybe 1 R trade. That's why, guys, 5 micros, not going to risk more. Would like to see like 20 points higher on SPX. Let's see if my setup is going to idea is going to play out. Looks good, but we need a test. Not quite sure yet. I'm not sure about stop loss, that's the issue. NQ New York midnight open or market is a scam? Seriously. 380 or market is a scam. Right now, if it's going to revisit but will not break this 50%, I might try actually. Do we have any news at 10 today? I don't think so, right? I would like to see NQ taking out New York midnight open. My idea, I'm not in trade, I'm just looking right now for the trade. If it's going to retest 50% but will not break this level, I will try to long. I'm not sure about stop loss. Seriously. Let's see how it's going to play right now. I'm flat, just for your information. I'm not on this trade. I'm just looking for a setup here. We got the closure, but price cannot see it retested, but trying to break this level. It's not valid idea yet. I will enter once it's valid. Come on. Patience, guys, patience. My fingers on the trigger as well. $40 left. Let's see how we're going to... Let me delete for now, because it might be looking confusing. I'll check SPX real quick. Here's guys SPX chart. Kind of stuck at the middle of nowhere, right? But I would like to see 25% retest. So far so good, let's see. Let me check gold as well. Look at this. It's retest, basically. I guess the only issue, how big risk reward is going to be. Like, imagine I entered a displacement. 14 points risk. Looks good here. Let's see. If it's going to displace, I will try. On my small size. Look at this closure. It's not coincident, I guess, right? Let's check silver. Oh, look at silver, guys. Keep creating equal lows there, right? I believe gold not done yet. Don't want to engage in silver, but I would like to try long on yes. Like 1 to 1, 1.2 or I don't know, guys. Okay, let me disconnect fund that I will try on evaluation accounts because I would like to try. Gonna try on evaluations, yes. What I'm aiming for. Will partial here. We took London high, it's my first level. Oh, it's evaluations, not even gets to partial. We took London high. Guys, I'm trading this on evaluation accounts. 150k flexibles. Oops. It's not worth it to risk on, unfunded. But idea is here. Basically risking 300 to make 440. Let's check SPX real quick. Actually, let me open SPX on my other screen. I would like to see NQ taking out New York midnight open. Maybe. I will not aim for 6,900. We will see. Yeah, copy to Replikanto, guys. It's evaluation accounts because it's not really based on my model, but here's based on, I guess, more logic. So don't want to trade this on unfunded. So we're still trying to respect 50% here. Where's my stop loss at 69? Yeah, like over here. It be choppy. It's okay. See how we're trying to respect 50% here. Cannot break this level seriously yet. But look at this immediate rejection from London high. I could take partial, but once again, if it was funded, I would take partial. But since it's evaluation, I don't see reason to take partial. To look what? 100 bucks? No, thank you. We got the break, it's okay. Let me check 1 second. I'm gonna check. Actually, nice rejection from London high. But probability tells me it's going higher. Looking at SPX, we have room to go higher. You know, if I'm going to be wrong here, I will try again later. I'm okay to give it another chance on the same account. I'm just thinking about another plan for long. Maybe it's going to be this one. So basically sweeping this equal lows, then long. Two plans. This one, I would say like I can grade this like B plus, or this one, we sweeping these lows. I will try long again. I would like to see New York midnight open. Probabilities tells me between 3 and 7 a.m. we didn't take this level. We need to revisit this level again. I have two plans, basically. First one and second one. Once NQ takes out New York midnight open, I will lose 4 micros of my 5 micros. Too many games here. Look at NQ. It's really struggling with New York Midnight Open, but once we take this level, probability saying we can retrace. I will take partials there. Just take it! New York Midnight Open, please. Long on NQ better, I know, but I have psychological issue with, with long on NQ. With trading NQ, not on long on NQ. With just trading NQ. Come on NQ. SPX, I would say 12 points away from New York, not New York, 25% of RTH gap. Stop these games, please! Take New York Midnight Open. Once again, if I'm wrong, I will wait for a sweep of sell side and I will try again. For me, I need to see New York Midnight Open on NQ. That's all I ask. What a scam. Seriously, 10 points away. NQ struggling. Maybe chap, it's okay. It's still not even 10. Maybe Silver Bullet will offer setup for long. Better setup for long. If not, it's not going to bounce now to New York Midnight Open. Because for me, just games now. Maybe champion, but it's just games. Here's the SPX chart, guys. See? Pretty much consolidation. Cannot take 25% as well. But I would say it's okay. Come on, Dasha. Second just probably. Who knows? I'm okay to re-enter if it's going to stop me out. I will just wait for sell side liquidity sweep first. At 10, ideal is to close position at 10, before 10, right? What a stupid games. I'm watching gold as well on my another screen. Nothing there yet. Four minutes left until 10. We can get crazy manipulation first. It's really kind of volatile, in my opinion. Yeah, chop is getting ready. That's why we can try again if we've run. Ideally, I would say sweep of these lows here for longs. It's perfect setup, at least according to the model. This trade is basically, I would say it's more logical trade. Since we're holding this level, I would like to see continuation higher. Let's see. Ideal to close the trade before 10. Don't want to sit inside the chop. But instead, guys, I will try to break even. Don't want to sit inside the trade before 10. If it's okay. Sorry, guys. I just don't want to sit inside this chop before 10. If break even, then break even. Look at NQ, guys. I'm totally fine with break even. Yeah, it's better, break even. It's better. So far, break even, I will try again. Even if it's going to bounce now, don't want to sit inside the trade before 10. Will re-enter. It's fine, let's wait. But you know, good point, at least I was inside this at the 50% of this consolidation. Not at the very top. And 10 a.m. Okay, let's see what will happen. Chop is real. Dun, dun, dun. And Q has room to go higher. Maybe smart to wait for sweep on long. Let's check gold. Gold also left room to go higher. I would like to see 47.67. on gold. Sorry, guys. Break-even is better than, sitting in this chop. Like, cannot complain. Right? So we got, it's not sweep that I'm looking for. I'm looking for sweep of this level here or here. Hit the like, guys. Let's wait for another setup. So much money. Yeah. Yeah. I may look for setup on gold. Just going to bounce. Or silver. We'll see. Okay, guys, let's. It's interesting because it's chopped right now. It's fine. It's not fine. It's annoying, but look at NQ. NQ was trying to take New York with net open 2 times after 9:30 a.m. Still struggling. Okay, going to wait for setup. Another setup. It's only 10. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like. Let's do giveaway soon. YM at monthly open price. So far season with break-even, that's 1 win, but it wasn't on stream, not going to count this. And break-even. How did you get... It's from IKEA, by the way. How to get targets on a Ninja Trader? You need to watch my video about Ninja Trader. I'm going to send you link now. Here's a link for Ninja Trader. Wanted to say New York Midnight Open. How to get target, like basically PNL on your chart on Ninja Trader. I sent link for Ninja Trader video, and you will find this. Come on, SPX, do something, please. We want to trade. We want to trade more. It's not enough. What we have on silver. Silver doesn't look bad, actually. I still would like to see NQ higher. I'm just wondering what I would like to use for entry. Sweep probably, yes. On a yes. Okay, guys, let's check different markets. We got this closure on gold. I like it. If ES is going to break above 10 AM open, I will try again. Come on. Oh, you eligible for, I guess so. Yeah, if you sign up, you're good. YM also inside consolidation. I would say yes, and QYM doesn't look so good. But if it's going to break 10am open, let's try again. With exactly the same size. This level. I already just consolidation, I would say nothing interesting there. It's not garbage, it's just consolidation. It's fine. It will move today, maybe not now. Trying to sweep. So sweep ideally of this level. It's shabby, I don't like it yet. Gold, also don't see setup yet, but 47.67 is my last level for long that I took before. RTY trying to go down. YM just ugly chop. Candles look even worse than on ES. So far, only NQ trying to stay inside the premium, while ES and YM already discount. So plan for SPX, probably this one. TradeView closed your trade. I don't know. You sure it was TradeView? Keep waiting, guys. Nothing changed. That's strange. Yes, 1 second. I'm going to send you. Open this and you will find this like third one, third option, trade sinker. Thank you, thank you. Remember the question about New York Midnight? Can you please copy and paste this question because I don't remember exact question. Yeah, always exactly right. Guys, are you in any trade right now? Any positions open? Well, it's not horrible. It's just consolidation. We will get set up. So far, I took a win on my take profit order funded accounts on gold, and I took break even. Actually done because of commission, I guess. $17 on evals because I was trying to long before. If you just joined, I closed at break even. It was smartest decision ever. It was my, I already showed before, but I was in this trade. I took a long at the break about 50%. I mentioned before this week. I was up like 10 points. I closed at break even. Smartest decision ever, seriously. And that because of commission. I guess so. I don't know why. I entered long on gold this morning at 47.33. It's just choppy. I don't see entry again. I don't see short or long yet. I mean, definitely SPX has room to go higher and lower. So what can happen? I can take sell side to go 25% of RTH gap, or we can take 25% of RTH gap, go down and go up again. Also possible scenario here. Treat 10am open exactly the same way as New York midnight open. Did we trade below 10am open? Yes. Can it be manipulation? Yes. Where the distribution is going to happen? With strong break above New York midnight open or 10am open? Per candle, right? Range. So 10am open, strong closure will offer distribution. That's why I was waiting for the closure to try again. But once again, just chilling right now. It's all about patience and manage your risk. How you manage your risk in these kind of conditions. When it's better to close at break even if you anticipate to get higher, when it's better to leave your additional stop loss, and so on. I hope it makes sense. Weekly target on NQ, I would like to see previous monthly low. Lower. I'm still looking for setup on gold. I just don't see conditions to enter yet. Let's see if it's going to hold 4740 area. 4-hour fair value gap. We still trade inside 4-hour fair value gap. Can I say we got reaction from 4-hour fair value gap? Not yet. We didn't get this. That's pretty much it. I used 4-hour fair value gap as my confirmation. Entered here, closed at break even. It was just a good try in my opinion. I know, I don't need to be in rush. If I see setup, I will take it. Loss or win, whatever. It's based on your setup. I'm not talking about shorts probably this week. It's my weekly objective, but you know, it's like lots of points to drop on ES. Maybe it will happen next week. Who knows? Looking for long above 10M open with exactly same targets. I would like to see New York midnight open in Q. Nothing changed. What I think about gold, my idea, if it's going to retrace, we're already traced 3-minute OB, I might try to long, to aim for 47.67. Let's focus, guys. I will answer questions later because I'm looking for a setup. Don't want to miss something. See how it's really funny because on SPX normally what kind of picture we getting? When we have huge RTH gaps, price tends to test 25% of gap, then goes to liquidity level. So it was trying to take 25%. It was my original additional confirmation of my longs that I took before. Then rejected back down. So I still would like to see ideally 25% and then short to sell side at 68.24. And then another reaction up. Or, since it's so close to sell side then 25%. Maybe a bit lower, but somewhere, something like this. Not in rush. Silver is about to take equal lows. Just a bit lower. It's still trying to stay below 10M open, nothing changed, which still means we inside manipulation. Can I say we traded above 10M open? Not really. I truly believe we're sitting inside manipulation now. And no distribution, it's still manipulation. Can we go here? Yes. Can we go here? Yes. And right after this, we can try to look for position based on potential sweep. So far, just up and down. But I guess the problem with this up and down, since we took London high, maybe it makes sense to sweep at least near sell side liquidity level. Did we sweep something? No. Which is, I guess, my concern for longs. I mean, we still below 10M open, like, it's not long yet. But ideally to sweep level. Hello, hello. Guys, hit the like, subscribe. I'm doing giveaway now. I'm giving away TradeZella 1-year subscription. Let me send you link again. If you would like to participate in giveaway to win 1-year TradeZella subscription, here is the link to participate in giveaway. Oh, come on. Yes, what are you doing? Just tell me. Why the stupid games? I'm just trying to understand. What was the problem to pump when I wasn't long? Yeah, just asking. Tell me. What was the reason behind your stupid retrace went down? You didn't take a single liquidity level. Why? Just tell me. I need to understand this. What is your issue? Stupid games. Stupid games. If it's going to pump to New York Midnight Open now, we are going to say together, scam. It's fine. It's fine, guys. It's all about patience and managing your risk. I hate it. I'm not going to lie. I mean, it's funny because, okay, I can understand. If you want to retrace where? To sell side. See, if this level, we will try to long again. But what? What's wrong with this move? Like, why? Why did it trace down? Because? It's going to be fine. Now NQ is going to take New York Midnight Open. We were waiting for the closure above 10 open to try it again long. Forget about this. They said, guys, F you. You're not going to trade today. Break even? It's not enough for you? Then nothing. You're asking for too much. My plan is going well. As I said before, when we have huge RTH gap, SPX tends to retrace to 25%, then goes to liquidity level. Oh. $50 points higher on NQ. Seriously, New York Midnight Open is guaranteed target. Otherwise, it's just stupid not to take this. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I mean, previous half hour low, it's not that important, you know? Like, I don't really care about 30-minute chart. I'm caring about high time frame charts, hourly floor chart, and so on. In my opinion, this move down was unnecessary move. Of course. Yeah, as I said before, I was trying to long here. I closed break even, but TP was New York Midnight Open. Once again, it's all about risk management, right? How you manage your trade. I guess I showed good example of this, in my opinion. But it's fine. Didn't take a single liquidity level, just retrace for no reason. 99.9% retracement. I never seen such a stupid move. It's fine. Yeah. Guys, I'm just not going to lie. even if I wasn't on stream, I would close at break even. It's not because I didn't want to take classes or something like this. I know myself, I would close at break even as well. Yeah, maybe. SPX needs to take 25%. It's at 68, 67. Another 9 points higher. I'm just thinking about another opportunity where I would enter. Because plan was we closing above 10 open, I will try to long. But entering here, maybe not that smart. Everyone hates this, but it's fine. I was trying to long. I closed at break even. I was trying to long yes before. TP was New York midnight open. Now just watching because I don't see entry. So whatever. Oh, look at gold. Wow, such a big drop there. Okay. Yes, was better. I mean, in terms of target, was better to understand because gold at all-time high, really hard to trade this. And Q approaching New York midnight open. Yeah, a bit BS per section. It's fine. I guess, you know, guys, if we place stop loss from the very beginning the right place, we always good. But we always trying to save some money on our stop losses. It's me, hello. And at this point, yeah, I have problem with stop loss placement pretty often. Like, ideally, yeah, I had to put my stop loss here, but whatever. You cannot say this in real time, right? In hindsight, you're saying, I entered, where I entered? At 80, over here, right? Here, I need to put my stop loss here. I'm going to aim for like 1.5, 1.2 hour to New York midnight open and Asia high. Because it's so obvious. But in real time, when you enter in the trade, it doesn't look so obvious, right? In hindsight, yes, it does. But in real time, no. Because when you're sitting in this long, even if you anticipate to get move higher, you cannot know for sure if it's market makers don't want to trap us to sell side here. And of course, you're just trying to protect yourself with break-even trades. Or just trim stop loss quickly, or something like this. Yeah, definitely could be better. You know, cannot complain. We just trading lower time frame charts, like 1, 2, 3, 5 minute charts. Maybe on 15 minute chart doesn't look so bad, right? On 15 minute chart, it doesn't look bad at all. It just looks good, in my opinion. I entered here. And of course, based on this chart, on 15 minute chart, I entered at 80. Yeah, over here. I need to put my stop loss here and just aim for Asia high. Look at 15 minute chart. It was just retracement, nothing else on 15 minute chart. But since we're trading lower time frame, we not sometimes, often skip this part on medium time frame and high time frame. We're just thinking, here's obvious setup, here's obvious stop loss, but on 15-minute chart or hourly chart, it doesn't look like this. It's pretty much obvious long here. Even my entry is just okay. Right? Sorry, guys. I was in with 5 micros. Just saying. Now just watching how it's going higher without us. Guys, if you entered long again, where did you enter? Share with me. What did I miss? Look at NQ. NQ took New York midnight open. Minute short. Yeah, I wouldn't enter here. I could enter as break above New York 10 a.m. open and long, but we got like just displacement above this level. I saw no entries as well. That's why I didn't take another trade. If it could be like closure here, I would try, because come on, like it's good risk reward here. But entering here with stop loss here and aiming for New York midnight open and Asia high, not perfect idea. On 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, got it. Good trade then. SPX took 25%. Am I in? I was. I just got at break even. And after this, I wish I saw another setup, but I didn't. We didn't have any other setups, unfortunately. So Statistic was right today about a New York midnight open. Once again, if between 3 and 7 a.m. NQ didn't test New York midnight open, it tends to detect this level after market open. I would say between 8:30 and 11 a.m. According to statistics, on Tuesdays, on NQ, if NQ opens below New York midnight open, we have 73% chance to retrace to New York midnight open based on 6 months data. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. On 15-minute chart, like, I had to sit in this trade and just be okay, you know? It just was easy to see, like, oh yeah, it's perfect here trade, like, just put your stop loss in the right place and just hold. But in real time, it doesn't look so nice and so perfect. You stick to selling, but only if it's important, because between 3 and 7 a.m. we need to revisit New York midnight open, otherwise we will revisit this during AM session. I explained this in my video, right? Sorry, guys. Yeah. So if we was in this trade, if we were in this trade, we were close here because it was our target. Well, it's fine. Just a reminder, it's okay. It's impossible to know, remember everything. It's fine. I guess now reason to look for continuation. Let's wait for another setup. Will you stream? Yeah, on TradingView TV. Yeah, at 1 p.m. Frank, I want to on my funded. But it wasn't on Steam, so it's not going to count as a win, right? It's just win on my accounts. Let's wait for another setup. It could be perfect trade if it's fine. They wanted you to think you are right about the market. I like it. Yeah, I like it. So New York Midnight Open hit on both yes and NQ. Perfect trade idea. Maybe everything was perfect. Nothing maybe. Everything was perfect. We're getting reaction, but it's just reaction, nothing else. Oh yeah, let's wait for another step. I don't think like I see the action from New York Midnight Open just yet. It's trying to offer the action. I was long, but I closed break even. So after this, I didn't take any trades. That's what I took. I took this on Steam, so. Yeah, let's check. Maybe I missed something. We got retest of this OB. At 1080. Oh, actually, you're right about this. I guess in this trade, you need just either when we have chap on lower time frame, you need to execute based on higher time frame and put stop loss based on higher time frame, not based on this chap. Or just wait for the break below consolidation and try to long, like 2 options. No any other options. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I will try again. Like, it's fine. It's just part of the game. Gold looks good. Let's check. Okay. Let's see if it. So far, we have probably minor SMT between silver and gold. Let's see if it's going to offer order block. Oops. Waiting for another step. Let's see if we are going to get another trade. And right after this, let's do giveaway. Let's see, maybe it will offer OT retracement. How do you feel about Lucid Black? Personally, I'm not going to get this plan. I don't see any benefits because Flex and Direct, for me, better options. They basically trying to replace Pro plan. I guess they still have option to get Pro plan, but I don't see like it's better than Flex or Direct in my opinion. So I'm going to stick to Flex and Direct. It's my opinion. Maybe people feel different way, but I don't see reason for me personally to try Black because Flex is better, as well as Direct is better. Yeah, I recommend Tradify Select. I always going to recommend Select one because it's the best option ever across all prop firms, or Lucid Flex. Nothing else. But two best plans so far on market. Trying to detect. Let's check SPX real quick. Well, normally, I'm going to repeat this again. I guess I mentioned this on my not New York Pivot Open OTA video, but I'm going to repeat this again. And you can take screenshot of this. If you're looking for SPX when you're trading indices, if SPX opened with big RTH gap, my R doesn't work. Strange, okay. We want to see SPX goes to 25% of this RTH gap and then it reverses towards liquidity level. Guys, if you're using SPX as your confirmation on indices, please take screenshot and backtest this. Took it? Well, idea is here, what kind of idea we have. If right now SPX will displace from 25%, I would say between 25 and 50%. It will offer strong change in the state of delivery on 5-minute chart. I explained why in my OTA video. We will take sell set at 68.24. Boom. Once again, nothing works 100% of the time, but we have huge probability. You can backtest on your SPX chart. It's basically free SPX version. This one, SPCFD. I don't have data for this one, but it's pretty much the same. Take screenshot? Take screenshot, guys. You can backtest, you will like it. Update the app. Launch the updates. No, thank you. TradingView telling me like, please update us. Update us. Yeah, for free. Basically on TradingView itself, just replay mode. You need like something, I would say 5-15 minute chart. You will have at least 2 months data. To see, like, it's not just because I said this, so because this happened today. Backtest this for at least 2 months. I guess on 5 or 15 minute chart you will have enough data. Because you have 20,000 candles data. Yeah. Okay, short below London high to aim for London low. Let's see. We got 3-minute OB. Nice, nice, nice. We got potential sweep. Potential short below London high to aim for London low. Or aim for sell side here. Yeah. I think something like this. Let's see. Gold really trying. So basically what happened on gold? We did trace back to discount. We tested original 5 and 3-minute OB from entry that I took before and trying to retrace higher. I'm looking for 47.67, nothing changed. Let's see if it's going to offer structure for me. Maybe 3-minute inversion with owner block. Maybe. Let's check silver as well. Guys, 1 second. I'm going to come back in a moment. Okay, guys, what did I miss? And Q was better, I'm not going to lie. Seriously. Yes, trying to break London high. If so, I might try to short. To aim for London low. Looking good. Oops, not this one. What do you think? This idea. Do we have something on 5 minutes? It's so cold today. Okay, I guess break below this level can be nice. Flat candle. Let's see if it's going to break London high first, not in a rush. I'm in Florida, guys. Gold kind of like so now. But at least silver took equal lows, which is good. Looking for SPX to break this level. Alex, you looking for short or long? You have protected high short. Okay, you think let me say that by just trend. Let's check something. Yeah, so basically Asia high right now is protected high. That's right. So what just happened? We did trace back to New York midnight open. We did trace back to premium. We tested early order block. Should I anticipate reaction now? Yes, ideally. On NQ we can try to short. We can. I'm not going to try. On NQ, short can be below 10M open. On ES, pretty similar picture, by the way. And one. Well, 69.16 is protected high on ES. Short below London high, I believe. So I'm going to stick to this plan. What do you think? After lunch? After lunch we can trade and we can take another trade. Why not? Drinking my cold tea because I'm sick. It should be hot, but now it's cold. Well, at least to 7. You know, back to this idea here. London low preferably, but probably something like this. What's such a horrible risk reward? Yeah, let's see. Let's see. You know, Alex, let's talk about this. I'm still looking for this setup, but I'm going to say something. You know, both ES and inside consolidation, right? It's just ugly chap right now, but we got sweep, right? And this sweep was confirmed by daily order block. On daily order block, we got nice displacement right after this. Once we got OB, and I'm looking for opposite liquidity level. Well, why you shorting the bullish displacement? You know, I was looking for move towards New York midnight open, but can I say we're really inside bullish trend now? Really? Can I say so? No. I cannot say so. In my opinion, we're still in sideways trend. Nothing confirms. I don't have confirmation of reversal yet. Maybe on 15-minute chart, yes. We just placed in 15-minute bullish for a value gap. Looks good, looks nice, but we tested New York midnight open. I would like to see the tracing back to discount now. I will announce winners in 3 minutes. Let me actually log in right now. I'm not shorting yet. I'm planning to short. When funding Lumi Pro firm, never. I'm looking for the trade to discount now, basically. It's still consolidation, nothing changed. Guys, you have 2 more minutes to enter giveaway. 2 more minutes to enter giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway now, TradeZella 1-year subscription. Completely for free. I'm going to leave because I'm not on this trade yet. It's just my plan. Basically, I'm looking for the trade and back below the name open. Again, as the action from New York midnight. Let's check NQ real quick. A bit different picture on NQ. Look at NQ, guys. NQ tested a New York midnight open while ES trying to stay above this level still. Let me check gold. Gold. 47, 43 now. We got fair value gap. We're trying to just back this fair value gap. Let's check gold together. So what I like on silver and gold now. Guys, you have 1 more minute to enter giveaway. We displaced below New York midnight open. We took equal lows. At the same time, gold trying to stay above New York midnight open, which means if silver right now will displace above New York midnight open, we can try to long. I think so. Well, let's announce winners. Winner. We have 1 winner. So once again, I'm doing giveaway now 1 subscription, TradeZella subscription for entire year, 12 months. Yeah, it's quite expensive to do more, to be honest. I will do more, but for now, just 1. So guys, let's do giveaway. And we have a winner. We have peer underscore 05. You won 1 year of TradeZella subscription. Are you in the chat? You need to say, yes, it's me, I won. Otherwise, I will pick another winner. Let's see. You have 30 seconds to say it's me. Yay, you're here. I see you. You won, yeah, I see you. You won 1 year of TradeZella subscription. Completely for free. Everything will be available for you is backtesting, journaling, tracking your performance. Everything is going to be for free there. So I got your... I got you here, so... So more accounts tomorrow. So guys, I guess that's it for now. I will stream PM session on Tradify TV. So, 1 break even today on stream. 1 win for me off stream. I mean, I wanted to stream this, but my OBS didn't work, unfortunately. It's fine. Guys, I will see you at 1 PM on Tradify TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like, because it helps me to do more giveaways for you guys. So see you soon. I wish you good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes, and let's take a break. Bye guys. Thank you.